Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to make a YouTube intro in Filmora. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the official website and download the Filmora application. Of course guys, now you can go and log into your program, but that's not necessary. Now let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner we have the file, edit, tools, view, export, and the help option. And the export button is gray at the moment, as you can see, because we don't have anything inside. Also, we have the media, audio, titles, transition, effects, elements, and the split screen. But now guys, let's see how to make a YouTube intro in Filmora. So what you need to do guys first is put some videos in. So I'm putting a sample video here just for the sake of this video. First of all, you need to go and put it here, and you need to then drag it here. Now you have your video here guys. When you have your video, you can go and cut it by clicking on this split button here, or you can click Control B, then click Control B somewhere else, and that's how you can cut your videos. So you can know and how to do that, and to delete the unnecessary videos, you can click delete. Of course, for adding the intro, you can go and put some effects here. So as you can see here, we have the animated effects, which you can go drag underneath below the video, and they will be applying if, of course, they have something to do with the video. You can put a retro filter. You can put a lot of things here in the effect option. Also, we have the transitions where you can put a fade in. So we can go and click on fade, put it there, and create it to the video will be then faded. Also, we have the elements, where you have a lot of options also. So basically that's how you can go and play around and create your actual intro. That will be guys everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.